Hello and welcome to another video by TechWYSIWYG. Today we are going to talk about Survey Cloud, a product developed by TechWYSIWYG. In this video we are going to demonstrate how Survey Cloud, a product for creating and publishing surveys, works. TechWYSIWYG Survey Cloud is built by leveraging the power of Oracle Visual Builder Cloud Service Platform and provides an easy way to create and host web and mobile survey applications in a secure cloud environment. Few key features supported by the tool. Create or edit survey using drag and drop UI. Support of different question types like text, radio group, checkbox group, Boolean, rating, multiple text, matrix, etc. Perform various tasks like creation, closing or delete the survey and test the survey before publishing the survey. The tool supports various types of reports based on the survey type like summary, individual responses, matrix, unsubscribe report. Now let us discuss about different kind of surveys which are supported by the product. Satisfaction survey. Satisfaction survey can be embedded as part of various business processes like on successful closure of a loan application, opportunity, ticket, contract, etc. and get the customer satisfaction feedback. There would be an integration with SaaS application for association of the feedback report to the particular record. Online survey. Building and publishing of online type surveys where the business users can embed in any web page like social networking sites, homepage, employee portal, etc. and get feedback from end users. Email survey campaign. End-to-end solution for email survey campaigning. The business users can leverage the below features. Dynamic building of the survey form with various field types. Building and association of email templates to the survey with dynamic form fields embedded. Association or targeting of contacts from integrated SaaS application. Sending of test campaigns with the associated email template. Now let us go through the demo of the survey tool and different type of surveys. The landing page of the survey tool is the home page. User can get tabular view various information and perform various tasks based on the survey type. Users can filter by survey type or on survey name. It is also the page where the user can create a new survey. During the survey creation process the user can perform various tasks. Provide a survey name. Select the kind of survey. Drag and drop the various field types based on the question type like single input, checkbox, radio group, drop down, rating, Boolean. Tool provides various survey settings which can be configured during the creation process. Next we will showcase the satisfaction survey integration with Salesforce as a case study. In the detail implementation the survey tool would generate a satisfaction survey URL, which would then be configured in the Salesforce workflow to send an email on closure of any business process. In our case the email would be sent once the loan application has been closed and the system would send an auto-generated email with the satisfaction survey link. The end user will invoke the URL and submit the feedback. Once the feedback has been submitted by the user the tool would then do a REST API-based integration and associated the survey feedback report back to the same record. The agent or salesperson can then view the survey feedback report which is associated back to the loan application once the survey is submitted by end user. Similarly the manager can get an overall trend of the satisfaction survey over a date range. Similar kind of integration can be done with any other SaaS-based applications. Similar to the satisfaction survey. In the detail implementation, the online survey needs to be given a start date and the survey end date. Once the dates are given the generated online survey URL can then be configured in the social networking sites or embedded on homepage or employee portal, etc. In our demo we just open in a new browser the generated link. Once the survey has been ended and the data analyzed we can then view the various reports which the tool provides. Now let us showcase the final survey type, email survey. This is an end-to-end solution for email survey campaigning. It is a step-by-step driven approach in the tool to publish an email campaign. Association of contacts. Configure templates. Test survey. Publish survey. Analyze survey and finally view reports. Post the creation of the questionnaire. The first step in email survey is the association of contacts. Contacts can be fetched based on filters and getting the right target contacts from SaaS applications, which is pre-integrated during the setup. Import contacts from a CSV file for each survey separately. Add individual contacts using user interface. Provision to remove contacts individuals as part of the campaign. Once the association of contacts has been completed, the next is configure the email template. The tool has the provision of embedding dynamic formed fields in the email. Next is the sending of test campaigns to an email lid with the associated email template. Ready to publish is the step where the necessary requisites have been successfully set and it is ready for sending of emails, or we can also delete the survey. Here we have the provision to filter individual contacts that we don't want to send the email survey. The tool supports bulk sending of emails with HTML content. Each individual contact status in the process is tracked and goes through various stages like draft, email sent, etc. The tool shows the total no of emails sent, surveys taken. Once the survey has been ended, we can then proceed with analyzing the data and the system is ready for analysis. Post the analysis of the data. The system would generate the reports in the background. Tool provides different types of reports like unsubscribed summary report, response summary, question summary report, etc. Finally, let us see behind the scenes. The building blocks using complex process action chains. Leveraging all the core features of Oracle Visual Builder Cloud Services to the maximum extent. Thank you. That is all we had. Have a nice day.